Hi everyone, I am Sudeep Ji, currently pursuing B at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I am going to explain about explaining model view template architecture in Django. Introduction to model view template architecture in Django. MVT stands for model view template and is the architecture pattern used in Django. It helps in organized code, separating corners and promoting reliability. MVT architecture is the backbone of Django framework. Model in MVT architecture. Model in Django represents the data structure of the application. They interact with the database and provide an interface to query, inserts, update, and delete data. Models define the schema and relationship between different entities. View in MVT architecture. Views handle the business logic of the application. They receive user input, processor request, and return response. Views interacts with model to fetch or update data before running templates. Templates in MVT architecture. Templates in Django are responsible for generating the final output to be sent to the user. These user HTML with Django template launch to dynamically random data. Template separately the presentation layer from the business logic. A request response cycle in MVT architecture. When a user makes a request, it is first handled by the URL dispatch. The dispatcher maps the URL to the corresponding view function. The view processor the request interacts with the model is needed and renders the template. Database interaction in MVT architecture. Models in Django abstract the database operation makes it easy to work with different database systems. The ORM object relation mapping simplifies the querying the database using Python object. Models define relationship, connection, and data validation rules. Separation of concurrence in MVT architecture. MVT architecture promotes the separation of the concurrence by dividing the application into distinct components. Models manage data, views handling business logic, and templates manage the presentation layers. This separation makes the code base more maintainable, scalable, and testable. Reusability in MVT architecture. The modular structure of MVT architecture promotes code. Model views and templates can be reused across different parts of the application. Django's app-based structure feature enhanced by encapsulating related functionality. Scalability in MVT architecture. Model view template architecture in Django facilitates scalability by allowing the application to grow in a structured manner. Models can be expanded to accommodate new data requirements. Views can be optimized or divided into smaller components to handle increased traffic. Flexibility in MVT architecture. Django's model view template architecture provides flexibility in designing the application across two special requirements. Developers can customize models, views, and templates to suit the needs of the project. The separation of the corners allows for easy modification without affecting other components. Security in MVT architecture. Model view template architecture in Django enhances security by enforcing a cleaning separation of corners. Model, Models handling data validation and ensure integrity at the database level. Views can implement authorization and input sanitization to prevent security vulnerabilities. Testing in Model View Template Architecture. Model View Template Architecture simplifies testing by isolating components for unit testing. Models can be tested independently to verify data operations. Views can be tested for business logics and templates running ensuring correct functionality. Performance optimization in Model View Template Architecture. Django provides machines for performance optimization such as caching and query optimization. Models can leverage database indexing and query optimization techniques for faster data retrieval. Viewers can implement caching staggeration to reduce response time and improve user experience. Community supports for Model View Template Architecture. Django's MVT architecture is widely adopted and supported by a large community of the developers. The Django's community provides resource tutorials and plugins to enhance the Model View template based application. Developers can seek help, contribute to the framework, and stay updated on the best practice. Conclusion. Model View template architecture in Django is a powerful and flexible pattern for building web application. It promotes code organization, separation of corners, and scalability. In models represent the data layer, it defines the data structure and database schema and handles the data related logic. Models in Django are defined as a Python class and are used to interact with the database. By understanding and leveraging MV model view template architecture, and developers can create robust and maintainability application in Django. Thank you.